Hey guys, Grayson here with Phoenix LiDAR. We're here in Stuttgart, Germany at the Intergeo 2024 trade show. And I'm pleased to introduce one of our new products, which is called the Recon-F8. So the Recon-F8 fills a gap that's been in the market for quite some time, and that's a very lightweight sensor for small to medium-sized drones, such as the DJI M350. What this sensor allows you to do is to fly at those regulation heights of about 120 meters, typically is the cap. Most sensors currently for those mid to lightweight drones are usually capped at around 80 meters of range, or sorry, 80 meters of AGL, not range. And there's really been very little in between. And this is a much more powerful laser. This is a fiber optic laser as opposed to a diode laser that are in these automotive sensors. And this allows you to get much better range. It's also very lightweight. So we're at 2.2 kilograms with this, and that includes a 45 megapixel camera as well as the navigation system. So you get a 1535 nanometer laser with camera, with navigation system, all in one. And again, it's ideal for those small to medium-sized drones. It's estimated with that M350 to get about 24-minute flight times. And it's all in one turnkey package. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us about specs and pricing. Just reach out to our sales team. And if you're in Stuttgart, we hope to see you at Intergeo. Thanks.